Hello and welcome to Food Alert. In this video, I am making a very easy and delicious recipe, cauliflower masala. For that, I have taken a medium-sized cauliflower cut into small florets and soaked in warm water for about 10 minutes. And we need an onion cut into thin and long slices, a big piece of ginger grated, a big tomato cut into small pieces, 1/4 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and 1 bay leaf. Heat a pan and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil. Add the bay leaf and then cumin and fry it for 30 seconds. Then add the ginger and saute for another 30 seconds. If you like, you can add some chopped garlic also. Add the onion and saute until they are fried. Then add the tomato and let it cook for a minute or two. Now let's add the spices. I'm adding half teaspoon each of turmeric powder, black pepper, cayenne and coriander powder. If you like it very spicy, you can add up to 1 teaspoon each of the spice powders. Mix everything well and fry it for a minute. Now drain off the water from cauliflower and add it to the pan. Add a 1/4 cup of water and mix everything well. Close the pan and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Check in between and saute it to avoid burning and for uniform cooking. Press one of the cauliflower florets with the ladle to check if it is cooked. If it's soft, it's cooked. Otherwise, cook it for a few more minutes until it becomes soft. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and salt as per your taste. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally, add the chopped coriander leaves and switch off the heat. Gobi masala is ready to be served. This tastes good with rice or chappathi along with dal and yogurt. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel and thank you so much for watching.